केरल और महाराष्ट्र जैसी रियासतों में बढ़ रहे कोरोना मामलों पर क्या कहना है कर्नाटका के वजीर सेहत के सुधाकर का, आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
The Honorable Health Minister along with our Chief Minister, we have made a special request since we share a lot of borders with Kerala and Maharashtra. From these two states we have our numbers went up in both the waves in spite of our best efforts. So we have requested to provide more vaccines for Karnataka, for which he is, affirmatively he has responded. We have target of 5 lakh vaccination per day, and one day in a week we will be celebrating what is called as vaccination Mela on Wednesday, where we are planning to vaccinate minimum of 10 lakh doses in a day.